Welcome to my channel. Let's do some car stuff. It's that time of the month for Daytona, and let me show you how I do this stuff. So what's up, YouTuber? This is Dog Traveler here, and today I'm gonna change the oil of my car. I had never take my car to the dealer because I don't trust those guys. Every time that we bring one of our cars in the past, they always found something wrong and they just wanted to cash out of us. So I've been doing my oil change for the last couple of years, and I'm very happy with it. And I enjoy doing the work. So I got all the oil here, the oil filters, some towels to check the oil level, and the tools to remove the oil filter, and the tool to remove the plastic pan that is under there covering the oil filters and the oil pan. And I already have the cards in the... So guys, this is my car. This is the engine bay, and I already have it lifted there. There's some ramps there. I got my oil collection device there, some bench to give me some support. Oh, the car is already in the stand there, in the ramps. It's not cold, it's not hot, just right perfect there. That's my engine bay. There you go. Let's get under the car and start removing the plastic cover that is down there, and then pull the oil plug out. And I don't have an oil plug, I have a Fumitomo drain plug, so I'll show you very soon. I got the wheel stopper there, very important when you're working on your car. Both sides. You never know, it's gonna back up, you're under there, and boom, you visit the ER or the morgue. And yes, ouch, because the gas prices are damn. So the first thing I'm gonna do is remove this plastic pan. Let's see, I got 4 bolts, one here. There you go. You need a 10mm. You can see I have a Fumitomo drain valve. This made the job super easy. The oil filter is somewhere here. There you go. It's over there. So let's remove this clip. It's a clip here that the Fumitomo valve have. This is the clip. Put it on a safe place so you don't lose it. And the only thing that I have to do is flip this guy here, and boom, the oil started pouring into the collection bin there. I'm gonna let it drain there for a couple of minutes. Then I'm gonna remove the oil filter, put the new one, and we'll be done. Easy as it gets, as you see. One of the things I do is get the filter. Oh, this one didn't come with no plastic cover. Usually they come. Get some of the oil inside there. I have to fill it up all the way up. There you go. Now get a little bit of the oil and put it on the oil ring here. So it makes a good seal. Okay, I'm ready to put that filter, get the old one out, and put this filter on. Well, this guy is done draining the old pan. I'm gonna close the Fumitomo valve, put the clip back on. There's always a certain way to put it on. There you go. That's good. Now, oil filter for that. We have this special tool here. It's very handy. There you go. And start dripping oil. Let me put my oil collection
fixing it on the right spot, and here she comes. There you go. There you go. I'm gonna let it drain for a while there. Still a lot of oil there. And I made a mess. Man, I would like to use rough. I always use the Mopar oil filter, OEM, and the recommended brand and oil type for all my cars. And I don't like to take to the dealer because every time that we take the cars to the dealer, they found that they have something wrong when they don't. I think the last time that we took our Dodge Rango, they told us that the steering shaft was broken. The truck had never been in an accident. And I told them, dude, I work on cars, I've been in accidents, never seen a steering shaft broke, and the car is driving fine. I don't know what you're talking about. In the end, they say, oh, it was some mistake. It was a lot of bullshit. After that, we decided we're never gonna take our cars to the dealers because they just wanna scam you. So I've been doing the oil changes for a while now. And it's a little bit of exercise, and I enjoy working on my car. So, and I know what I'm putting in. So here we are. Let's put this baby back inside there. There you go. Tie it with your hand, and then use the magic tool. I don't know what the hell did I put it on. It's very normal. Oh, found it. Just give it some, tighten it a little bit, not that much, just to make it do a good seal. We're done here, and let's start putting the bolts back. Let's see, this is the way. Oh, the pollen is killing me. It's a lot of pollen here in Georgia. Even though it's raining, the pollen, does it go like this? There you go. We're done down here. We are done down here. What's up, dude? Let's get up and keep on doing this stuff. Let's get this done. And I have an amazing pulse. Look at this. Look at this. I don't need that funnel or anything like that. The drip, boom, leave it there. It will do his job. This car used like 6 liters of this stuff. Old Cabezon, and before I check or turn on the engine, whatever level, I have to get rid of the oil in the old catch can. Okay, so now let's this other side. Oh, this side. I'm gonna show you how much oil is inside here. Oh, I cut myself. Didn't feel it. I'll show you. This is how much oil the old cash can grabs. You see that? It's almost full. This is it. Just give it a hand tie. That's it. Don't need to do anything else. Boom, bada bada boom. Right on the spot there. It says it's full. Turn the engine on to reset the oil level 2 in the gauges. So let me show you how to do that stuff. I have a mess in the car. I'm gonna clean it up. So just press one button and two, no pedal, and go to the oil settings. There you go. Press OK to reset, and it's already done. 100% there. And put it on. Now, if you have a Dodge Charger, but nobody knows somebody that have a Dodge Charger, and you ask them, hey, how fast are you going? They're gonna lie, you know why? Because they'll, oh, I've been 180, 160 miles per hour, 150, and you can tell them, prove it. You know, well, you go check on the car, they recorded the fastest, 154. That's what I have. Not on the highway, on the track. Okay, I always go the speed limit in the highway. There you go. We're done here. Thanks for watching. This is Doug Traveler. Hope you enjoy it.